ZT703R Air Filter Replacement Video Tutorial. Preparation Tools. Phillips Screwdriver. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 10 bolts, securing the air filter upper cover one by one. Then open the air filter upper cover and take out the filter element. Install the new air filter element. Place the new air filter element into the corresponding position. Cover the air filter upper cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to reinstall the 10 bolts, securing the air filter upper cover. Completing the replacement of the new air filter element. Thank you for watching.